There is a company that changes the world with advanced technologies. There is a company that changes the future with core technologies. A company dedicated solely to fine chemistry, 동진쎄미켐. 동진쎄미켐's advanced technologies connect the world around you to a whole new world. A company that creates a new future by overcoming endless challenges. 동진쎄미켐. Since pioneering Korea's fine chemistry in 1967, 동진쎄미켐 successfully achieved the domestic production of foaming agents, followed by semiconductor and display materials, which contributed significantly to strengthening the global competitiveness of Korea's electronics industry. Based on the management philosophy of leading the world by developing new technologies, 동진쎄미켐 has become a global leader of fine chemistry by developing new products. By providing unmatched products through advanced intelligence that is ahead of our time and the cutting edge of technological innovations, 동진쎄미켐 always stands by its customers as a reliable partner. Boasting unparalleled technological excellence in the semiconductor and display materials field, 동진쎄미켐 makes unsparing efforts for customers' satisfaction and quality control. All the products manufactured in Balan, Incheon, and Siwa plants are managed strictly through an integrated production quality management system, and it has established a quality management system that meets international standards. Having established the foundation for growth by developing Korea's first PVC and rubber foaming agents, 동진쎄미켐 is exporting its products to over 100 countries around the world through its exclusive brand Unicell. Foaming agents are used for shock absorption, soundproofing, and weight reduction, and 동진쎄미켐 boasts the largest share of the global market. The recently developed microcapsule foaming agent is used in high value-added products such as automobiles and electronic components. Writing another success story with state-of-the-art technologies, 동진쎄미켐 developed Korea's first photoresist for semiconductors in 1990, followed by the CMP slurry, anti-reflection membranes, and thinners that opened the era of domestic production of semiconductor materials. By manufacturing Korea's first 20-nanometer class ARF immersion photoresist in 2013, 동진쎄미켐 has secured world-leading technologies, and it is now competing with global corporations in next-generation technical fields such as 3D TSV and EUVL. It has also expanded into the display materials market with the successful development of photoresists for LCDs, strippers, etchants, and color resist. By developing materials for increasing resolution and lowering production cost, it has become the leading display materials manufacturer with the #2 global share of the photoresist market and the #1 global share of the organic insulator market. Based on its electronic materials technologies, 동진쎄미켐 has expanded its business to manufacturing touchscreen modules, from small to large touchscreens. 동진쎄미켐 is creating a greater and more vivid world with its fine chemistry technology. Focusing on developing new advanced technologies and new materials, 동진쎄미켐 is expanding its partnership with global electronic companies through close collaborations. To secure dominance in Indonesia, Taiwanese, and rapidly growing Chinese markets, it has invested over $100 million in establishing the Beijing plant. By manufacturing and supplying electronic materials for LCDs and semiconductors locally, it is further strengthening its partnership with the customers. By completing the Pangyo R&D Center in 2012, 동진쎄미켐 is focusing on developing fine chemistry materials for the next generation, such as next-generation displays, semiconductors, and eco-friendly energy. From flexible displays, OLEDs, and high-tech materials for printed electronics to dye-sensitized solar cells and key materials of fuel cells, 동진쎄미켐 is preparing for the future with leading cutting-edge technologies. There are people who are beautiful because they have dreams. There are people who are happy because they have a future. Practicing ethical management and fulfilling its social responsibilities, 동진쎄미켐 is creating a greater tomorrow through an open corporate culture that values communication. By dreaming together, challenging together for greater values of tomorrow, 동진쎄미켐 will create mankind's happiness beyond technologies. A company that creates a new future with leading cutting-edge technologies for human future life. 동진쎄미켐.